Good evening, everyone. Welcome you all to Revamp's 10-day online crash course. And as we are in the day 10, that is the last class Kalia is going to handle. We would like to thank Kalia for handling the 10-day session very carefully and motivating you all. And I also wish you success for cracking UGC net JRF examination. Wish you all will receive a fellowship. With this note, I invite Kalia to handle the session, and I would like to share one thing that we will share all our materials and YouTube links in email, which you will receive. Don't worry and don't hesitate to ask any question or revert back us. You can contact us for any help. With this note, I hand over the session to Kalia. Thank you, Kalia. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Rhea. Good evening, all the participants. So, welcome you final day of UGC Net Paper One Crash Course. So today, so do you have any doubt for previous classes? Shall I start new chapter? Today is unit number 7 in 10th day. So data interpretation. It is a very simple. If you understand the concept, if you know the speed calculation, you can easily work out on the problems. You can get full marks in this section. So 5 questions, they will give the sum, and from the sum they asking 5 questions. 5 questions each, 2 marks. So I share my photos. Just give me a second. தலா எது தலா அது Sorry, my screen is visible. Please somebody responds. My screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay. Okay. Somebody asking something. It's Abhiraj asking the current affairs. They are asking more questions. Some questions on current affairs. Yeah. So I will share some material related current affairs. It will help you like last related subject oriented. So education last 6 months. What are the new initiatives in the education field, or what are the information technology used in the education sector? So this kind of question they will ask. Other than that, no need to detail in the current affairs. One or two questions, but that questions related with current subject syllabus oriented. Sorry, no worry about this thing. So I share my screen. So it's clear, visible. I need to more zoom.
Yes, sir.
It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So data interpretation. So already I mentioned that. So unit number 7. So there are 5 questions. 5 questions from this unit. Based on the one sum, they asking 5 questions. That is a very important thing. So if you very well in that other chapters like other topic like fraction, average, percentage, profit and loss, and these are the main concept we are using in the while working on this data interpretation. So basically there are 4 types of questions they will be asking: table chart, table data, line data, pie data, or bar diagram. So table chart means like they given one table and given some data. From this data, they will ask one question. On line graph, they graph like see this type of they given line graph data, and from the data they asking some questions. So pie chart, it's a round shape. From this round shape, they asking questions. So bar diagram is based on the graph and using the bar type. So mostly they asking this kind of data format. They ask question they asking in this examination. So I check it or I analyzing last 2 session like January, May, June. I think in December 2022 on March, December session 23, I think. Sorry, December session 22 and June, January, May session 21. Analysis around 71 question paper. Mostly they asking questions from table form, but data they taken data from pie chart and line chart. So we will look at one by one. So next is. So I will directly go to the sums, then you can understood this. So this sum asking date 4/0/2023 afternoon batch. So is last year question paper this question. So these are tabular column data. So the question 6. The following table shows the percentage distribution is 6 different types. Items here to F produced by company years 2020 and 21. So total number of items produced by the company in the year 2020 and 2021. So are 48,600 and 62,500 respectively. So based on this data, please answer the question. So they given some annual production of 6 different companies and annual production of companies items. So based on the items, they asking some questions. So first question, what is the total number of items produced by C in the year 2020-2021? So before going to question, just 1 or 2 times read the data carefully. They giving total number of items. So total number of items 2020 is 48,600. 48,600 and 2021 given data is 6,500. So this is the given total number of item produced in different years and based on the companies. So they asking type C produced in the year 2020 and 2021 together. So type C here production in 2020 is 70%, and see 17%, and 2021 is the 18%. So just write 17% into 2021 is the 48,600. Okay, 17% we can write 17 divided by 100, percentage mean 100 into 48,600, cancel 0,0,0,0, remaining in 17,48,6. So what is the answer? 17 in 48,6. Please unmute yourself and tell something. Just use this time your calculator. You have any calculator mobile, just use this time. When you are working on this kind of sum, just your own working, don't use the calculator, otherwise it could not help your any examination. They didn't give any calculator or any electronic devices, so work on your hand. But now we don't have time, so please, if anybody working in the using the calculator, please tell the answer. Unmute yourself. So I'm scared the screen. I didn't go again the Zoom app and didn't notice your chat. So just unmute yourself and tell the answer. 17 in 486.
Sir, option B.
Option
B.
Option B. So I just you very fast in this. I just explain the method how to solve this kind of question. So 17 into 486 is around 8262, and next year 2021 80%. So 80% into 6 to 500.
Yes.
We can write 800 into 6 to 500, cancel 0, remaining is 625 and 8. What is the 6258? Around
1,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
So total 2, 6 and 2, 8, 5 are 13. So 13 is 262. So this is the B. Answer is the B. So clear how to solve this kind of questions?
Yes, sir.
So only in the data interpretation, they asking 3 types only, like this. What is the produce? Based on the percentage, we can calculate. And they asking what are the difference between previous year or current year, or what is the average of the whole 6 companies production. So mostly all the some related 71 analyzing 71 questions, mostly repeated this kind of question. Based on this kind of concept, they asking the question. So just looking very carefully. If you have any doubt, please unmute yourself and ask immediately. I can clear your doubts. So are you everybody clear the first sum? Can I go move on second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I hope everybody understood. So second question is the type of items B produced in the 2020 in approximately dash percentage number of items produced in the type B produced in 2021. So type of produce 2020, how many percentage? So B 2020 percentage, they asking X percentage. So X percentage of type B in 2021. So B 2020 is 18%. So 18 into how much total production? So 48,600. Okay, equal to X percentage. X percentage, we don't know X. So they're asking here is the X. We can use X percentage. So we don't know that percentage. So we can take the X percentage. So X per 100 into type B in 2021. What is the 2021? Only 15%. So 15 divided by 100 into 2021. 18 in 1800 18%, 18 divided by 100, cancel. So remaining is 18 into 486. What is the answer? 486 into 18. I think around 8748, and x divided by 100 into what is the answer? 6 to 500. We cancel 0. So remaining in 15 into 625. So answer is 9375. So here 100 is the dividable. We can change to the after the equal. So 8748 into 100 in multiply. Here 9375 is the multiply. So we can under the divide. So what is the answer? Final answer? Approximately 93312, I think. So approximately 93%. So answer is the option D. So clear this kind of questions.
Yes, sir.
So in I look at in every question this kind of data interpretation they asking what say example I will go like A production into dash percentage of B in some years. So this kind of questions solve same method in every sums. So don't forget, if you have any clarification or doubt queries, please ask. We will look one by one, then you can understand. So next is the what is the ratio. So first we use the percentage, next also we use the percentage method, and third is the fraction or ratio method we use here. Okay, and third question, what is the type of what is the ratio of number of items D produced in 2022 to the number of item type F produced in 2021? So first they given type D 2020 from first we find the number of items produced in 2020 type D or 2020. So 20% divided by 100. Total is the in 2022 total is the 48,600. So we cancel 0. 48,600 how much? So 486 into 20. It's around 9720. And next is the type F in 2021. So type F here 2020 and 24%. So 24 into 100 in 22 and total production is 62500. Cancel. Remaining is 625 and 24. So 65 625 into 24. What is the answer? Just use the calculator. So there is kind of interaction section. That's one. Then only we can understood clearly. Anyone can please tell the answer. 24 into 625.
Sir, option C.
I don't want to answer. Just we will go by
81
step by
is
step. Then only the other people. So 15,000 is the type F in 2021. So ratio is we need to find the ratio 9720 into 15 is to 15,000. Okay, so for that both of the number divided by common numbers. So then only we can identify the fraction ratio. So if you in the mathematical reason there are chapter ratio and fraction is there. If you work on that ratio fraction sum, you can easily identify which number we can divide this fraction. So we commonly divide I think 120 both numbers. So 120 we write answer is 81 is to 125. So 81 into 120 is 97275. So 125 into 125, 15,000. So answer is C. So clear? Clear? Yes. Yeah, okay. So next to fourth question. If anybody want to read the fourth question, please somebody read. So fourth question.
What is the Sir,
yeah,
can
go
I?
ahead.
What is the total number of items of type A, B, and C produced by the company in 2020 and 2021?
So they're asking what is the total number of type A, B, C producer company in 2020 and 2021, and just write separately in A, B, and C. So first write 2021 production and 2021 production. So what is the 2020 A percentage here? 17 2020, and B is the 2021 is the 18%, and here 2020 18%, and 15%, 17 and 18, 17 and 8. So in total number of item, total number of production is in 2022 48,600. So this is a percentage. We write the 17 by 100 and 18 by 100. I mean here 17 by 100, 48,600, 48,600. So here for 100. So 2020 total production is 6,500 into 100 into 6,500 into 100, 6,500. So we can simplify everything. We can get answer option A 50,897. So total number of items type A, B, C produced by company 2021 is 50,897. So I just go directly go with the answer by step. You just check. If you want check, just after the class you just work on that your own. You can get easily. So this kind of some practice is very much. Then only you can clearly easily work out within the 15 minutes or 15 minutes 5 questions for minimum 15 minutes. You give time for the data interpretation. You can easily score 10 out of 10 this kind of question. So clear this kind of questions. Can I move on next fifth sum? Okay, so I move on fifth sum. So fifth sum, the number of item of produced number of item of type B E produced in 2021 is a dash percentage more than number of item produced in type C. So like dash percentage. So like E production in 2021 is equal to X percentage of type C in 2021. So same as the second sum, second question. So like E percentage in 2021 was E percentage 16%. So 16 into 100, 16 by 100 into 2021 is the total number of production 662,500. X percentage is X by 100 into C in C percentage in 2021 is 8%. Sorry, E is E percentage 18 in 2021. So 18. So XC is 8%. So 8 divided by 100 into 6 to 500. They asking both are 2021. So 2021 total number of protection is 6 to 500. 6 to 500. So cancel. We cancel. So 18 into 18 into 625. How much? They already working on that. I think 18 into 600, 1025 x 500, 8 into 625 is around 5000. So we change the 100 here, 1125 into 100, 5000 again we divided, so 5000 we cancel. So total is the answer is 125%. So answer is 125%. So everybody clear this kind of questions? Answer is the D, fifth question. So X or X percentage of Y. What is the percentage of X and Y? We like this kind of question. We write first product first given, and after the dash X divided X percentage into what is the given after the dash. Sorry, interval. Clear? Any doubt? No doubt. Shall I next move on next sum? Please respond. Otherwise, I can again I can move go to so Zoom app and again. Shall I move on? I hope you already all people are getting them some idea from the first data interpretation. So this question asking for 4th March in 2023 afternoon batch. So I move on next sum. You have any doubt? Please ask. Otherwise, I started next sum. Shall I start next sum? Okay. So next sum is the this question asking 2nd March 2023 forenoon batch. So question, the following the table shows income and expenditure in million and 5 companies AE in the year 2021. The percent profit or loss of a company is given by profit by loss percentage is equal to income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100. So they given the formula for this kind of questions. Some question they directly given the formula. So profit or loss, we use the same formula, income expenditure divided by expenditure into 100. So there are different 5 companies they are given their income, annual income or annual expenditure. So based on the income expenditure, they are asking the question. So first question is company does earned maximum percentage profit in the year 2021. So this is a income expenditure of year 2021. They are asking what is the maximum percentage of. Okay, the maximum percentage. So we can just look at the data. So we can minus here. So 35 minus 45 minus 10. So this is a last thing. And 50 minus 40, 10 plus 10 is a profit. And 40 minus 45, 5 minus 5, it's a loss. 40 and 30, it's a plus 10, so profit. 50 and 45 is a 5% profit. So in the question, they are directly asking what is the maximum percentage. So we can exclude A is of a loss and C is a loss and remaining B, C, E is there. So we know that 5%, only 5% of profit here. So we cannot work out on this E also. So remaining is B and D. So B, profit and loss percentage formula is income minus expenditure. Income is B 50, expenditure 40 divided by expenditure. Expenditure is 40 into 100. Okay, so 10 divided by 40 into 100. 0 0 10 10 100, so 25% of B. And C, sorry, D is 40, expenditure 30 divided by 30 into 100 is equal to 40 minus 30, 10 divided by 30 into 100 is equal to 0 0, 10 tens are 100, 100 divided by 3, 33 something 333, so 33 percentage, 33%. So comparably B and C, B is the highest percentage, so answer is the B. So my company B is a maximum percentage of profit in the year 2021. Clear? Hello, unmute yourself. So clear, please. Other people, please respond. Is it clear? Sorry. Yeah, option is the D. I just feel. So option is D because 33% highest. So option is D. This is the first question. And second question, the company A, B together had a percentage profit loss of. So they give asking what is the percentage profit or loss of the A and B together. So wait. So companies A percentage is total income and expenditure 35 and 45 is 35 plus 45 is equal to 85% total. They asking A and B together had a percentage profit or loss. So B is and sorry. A plus B, so their income 50, 35, 85. Okay, so the question is formula is the profit formula is income minus expenditure divided by expenditure. So 85% is income and also 85% divided by 85% into 100. Okay, so it's a 0 to 85 minus 85% 0 on 85 into 100, 0 into everything is 0. So there is no loss on profit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. And next sum is in 2021, the approximate percentage of profit loss all 5 companies together. In 2021, what is the approximate percentage of all the companies? So you just add the everything, total income of everyone. 35, 50, 40, 40, 50. What is it? They're asking average percentage approximately in total 5 companies. For 5 companies, we add the total income and total expenditure. So total income 35, 50, 40, 40, 50. How much? Total income 215 and total expenditure 45, 30, 35, 4, 16. So 204 total expenditure. So formula is income minus expenditure divided by expenditure into 100. So income is 215, expenditure 205, and divided by expenditure 205 into 100. So total answer is around 4.87 something will come, but we consider as it's they asking approximately. So 4 point after 5 it will consider as a 5. So that is a 5% of profit. It's a plus though. Suppose it come like income expenditure is a 204, income is a 215. The answer is minus 4.18 something. So answer is minus 5% loss. So clear? How to find the approximate percent of profit and loss related? Can I move on for problem? Please respond. Okay, I'll move on. I hope everybody will understand. So fourth sum is if the company D in 2021 was 10% more than income, and 2020 the company had earned 20% of 20% of 2020, then its expenditure 2022 was approximately. They are asking the expenditure of the expense. So we don't know what is the percentage in. So if the company had to, so let us consider percentage of income in 2020, like consider X million, consider X. So the income, so then expenditure in 2021. So in the expenditure, profit is 25%. So 120 divided by 100. We don't know income of this 2021. So let us take X. So 120X divided by 100. So we know that 45 income of expenditure of 21 company E is a 45. So that's why 45. So we need to X. So 45 into 100 divided by 120 into X is equal to X. So X is around 37 point something. Okay, then next step is expenditure of the company in 2020. Then asking the expenditure of the company of the 2020. So we'll take here income is X percentage, say Y percentage, then write percentage. We know that 2021 expenditure, so the 10% is profit is equal to 10 is equal to Y minus 37.5 is expenditure, and expenditure minus 5, Y is equal to Y minus 37.5. So 10 into 37.5 minus 0.5. So answer is Y is equal to 41 point something, 41.25. I confuse, I think. We will look at finally this. I move on. Sorry, we will look at this. I will confuse here. I move on the next sum. So next sum. So next 14 3. So other 4 sums everybody understood how to clear the other 4 sums. No response. I'm just Okay, so Bindya tell it's okay. So I'm going to next problem. So next one is this I'm asking 14/3/2023 afternoon batch. Like some of the data they given missing data related sums. So in that in 70 last previous year question paper 71 said in 5 to 6 time they asking missing data, like they are giving some missing data. We need to find the first that missing data, then only we can find the answer for the questions. So first they in some the following table show the number of candidate interviewed by 5 Indian banks on 6 different working days on Monday to Saturday. Some value in minus so or missing you expect to calculate if you record. So we need to, if we record this, we need to find out the answer from everything. So based on the data in the table, answer the question. So first we need to find the missing data. So how to find the missing data? They given total interview in all the banks, and only one data they missing in from that they interview. So add everything minus in total interview. So 34, 42, 46, 20 plus 34 minus 224 total. So total interview to we minus value, we can find in Thursday how many people they find. So what is the answer? Add the every all the remaining 5 days and minus with the total interview 224. Anyone find the answer? What is the answer? Please unmute yourself. Please respond. $34 plus $42 plus $46 plus $20 plus $34. $176 total minus 224. So 48. So Thursday in PN Bank is 48. So please find every other bank also same method. So 46, 44, sorry, 36, 44 plus 28 plus 20 plus 52, 180 minus 218. So here is 38. Okay, so IDIB for 46 plus 28 plus 46 plus 24 plus 40, 184. So minus 216 total. So here IDBI bank is 32 and SBI add everything 50 plus 56 plus 46 plus 30 plus 40 T plus 56 plus 46 plus 30 plus 40. So total 222 minus 246. So 24. In SBI bank in 24. Okay. And BOB bank they give all the answers. So we find the all the interview every day. So first we directly go to the sum. First, before going to the sum, we need to find all the missing data. So first sum is everybody here, or I'm only talking with you people? Mola. Okay, I will go hop on available YouTube. So first sum, what is the ratio of the number of candidate interviewed by SBA on Friday and Saturday together, and that of the candidates interviewed by BOA in same today. So they asking ratio of the SBA together. So total Friday plus Saturday is to BOA bank both day, Friday plus Saturday. So SBA Friday and Saturday. First look at SBA here. Friday 30, Saturday 40, and total 70. And BOI Friday is 20 and 52, and total 72. So fraction we need to divide by both number in same number. Both number are divided by same number. We can divide by 2. So 35 is to 36. So on B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next sum is the number of candidates interviewed by IDBI on Wednesday dash percentage of total number candidates interviewed by all the banks on same days. So IDBI on Wednesday is equal to X. So dash percentage is given. So we directly go to the X percentage. We can write X into 100 into total number of candidate interviewed by all the banks on same day. So remaining IDBI. So this is IDBI. Which day? Wednesday. So Wednesday. So remaining this value we add another other values also. So 46, 44 plus 24 plus 36. Okay, so IDBIN value is a 24. 20 IDBI on Wednesday. So 24 is equal to X divided by 100 into please add everything 46. 46 plus 44 plus 24 36 total I think 150. 24 into 100 100 divided by 150. See 150 is equal to X 0 0. The remaining is 10. Here is a 50. So what is the answer? X. Anyone working? Anyone working? 24 into sorry, not 24 is 46 I think. Next 46 into 100 divided by 150. 50, 36.7. So answer is around 24.6 something, I think. Answer D is the answer. Just work out on this, your homework. And fourth question is approximately what percentage of candidate entered by SPA on Thursday increased with the respect of interview by previous day. So asking the previous day in SPA, what is the number of candidate interviewed by SPA on Thursday? Thursday is SPA Thursday is 46. Okay, and previous day is 24. He asking what is the percentage. So previous year 46 minus 24 into 24 into 100. So what is the answer? Question number 4. I forgot 3. 46 minus 24 divided by 24 into 100. 46 minus 24 divided by 24 into 100. Approximately 91.666. So we can consider as a 92%. So answer is D. Is it correct? Yeah, okay. Question number 3. What is the number of candidate interviewed by all the banks on today? Say Tuesday. They are asking what is the number of candidates in Tuesday. So Tuesday we can add all the interview in the date. So 42. First Tuesday is a 42 in sorry 42 plus 38 plus 28 plus 56 plus 50. So total 214. So option is the D. So 214 is the answer. So clear this kind of questions. Shall I move on next sum? So these are the basic sums asking in the tabular column. Mostly all of the sums are same method we using like percentage, profit, and fraction and average things only we use. Shall I move on next part of these sums? Bindia and other peoples, every people are leaving. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I move on the next one. So I given this sum for homework. You people are working on that. This is also previous year question paper. I move on this year. So this is a pie chart related sum. So pie chart means is round. So total pie chart degree is 360 degree. So based on 360 we work on the sums. So first sum is the total number of expenditure company how many times of expenditure in research research on development. So first is the total amount of expenditure of the company, how many times of expenditure in that. So just check, look the data. So first, research and development. So total amount of expenditure, how much? So research, sorry, I think I missed a sum somewhere, or same method, same sums. Paper cost, okay. The total amount of expenditure of the company is these are the wrong sum, I think. I think sums are different from the data. I will delete this. We'll move on this sums. So the bar graph, this is a bar graph related sums, and they given a different percentage distribution of the total expenditure of the company. So infrastructure, transport. So this is the data for this question. So yeah, correct. So first is the they giving the first sum is the total amount of expenditure in R&D department. How many times expenditure, total amount of expenditure of the company is how many times, how many times of expenditure in research and development. So we don't know total expenditure, so let us consider the total expenditure is X, and the expenditure of R&D. So what is the expenditure of R&D here? So R&D is a 5%. 5%. Okay. The question is, so how many times? How many times expenditure on the research and development increases? So we don't know total expenditure. So 5%. 5% of X means in total expenditure, R&D is the 5%. So 5% of X. So 5 divided by 100 into X. So we can cancel. So 1 5 are and 2 20. So X divided by 20. So this is the expenditure on the development R&D. They are asking total expenditure on the R&D. Okay, so we don't know. We know that total expenditure is X, and R&D expenditure is X divided by 20. So is equal to 20. 20 is here divided. It will go upside, and 20 X divided by X. X cancels. So remaining is 20. So answer is the 20. Clear? So first we don't know the they didn't in the sum, they didn't given total expenditure. They're just giving the distribution of the total expenditure. So then we consider is expenditure is X and R&D expenditure is the 5%. So out of the 5%, how much percentage for R&D? So 5 divided by 100 into X, and remaining we can find cancel and X by 20. So R&D expenditure is X by 20. So from the total expenditure, we find out the R&D and X divided by 20. So 20 will be opposite. So 20X divided by X cancel, this will 20. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I move one second sum. So if the expenditure of the advertisement is 20 crores, so then difference between expenditure and transport. Give me seconds. So what is the second sum is if the expenditure on advertisement 2.1 crores, 10 crores, then the difference between the expenditure on transport and taxes is, say, they give we don't know we already know we don't know what is the total expenditure, so let consider total expenditure is X. So the given expenditure on the expenditure on the advertisement 2.10 crores. That percentage of the advertisement in 50. So from 15 percentage of X means total expenditure they spend out of 15 percentage in the expenditure, and expenditure amount is 2.10. So 15 divided by 100 into X is equal to 2.10, and X is equal to 2.10 into 100 divided by 15. So the multiply here, 15 is multiplied, we can divide, after the equal it will be directly divide. So 21 2.1 into 100, like 2210 50, we cancel how much, around 14. So X is a 14 crore, but they asking what is the difference between expenditure and transport taxes. So we know that transport percentage is transport 12.5 percentage, and which one, transport and taxes is a 10 percentage. So 12.5 tax is a transport, and 10 percentage is so 12.5 percentage transport and 10 percentage taxes, and out of from 14 crores, from these 14 crores this expenditure is this. So 2.5 into percentage into 14, and 2.5 into 100 into 14. So we can cancel 2.500 into 14, how much, around 0.35 crores, I think. So 0.3 crores means 35 lakhs. So answer is the D. So first, there, as usual, in first sum we look at total expenditure is considered as X, and expenditure on advertisement they given the total value, and also we know that from data they given percentage. So from the percentage we find the how much they spend on it in advertisement. From that we find the difference between expenditure and the transport and taxes. Okay, clear? Shall I move on the third sum? So third sum, I think how many people are there? 6. Clear, 35 X man. So next is the third sum. What is the ratio of total expenditure on the infrastructure and transport, and total expenditure on taxes and taxes and interest on loans? So as usual, we don't know total expenditure, so let's consider total expenditure is X. So total expenditure on the infrastructure and transport. So what is the infrastructure and transport? Infrastructure 20, transport is 12.5. So 20 plus 12.5 percentage of X. So from the total percentage, they are spending infrastructure and transport. So 12.5 is a 32.5 percentage of X. Okay, so 32.5 divided by 100 into X. Okay, it is the total expenditure of infrastructure and transport. So next condition is total expenditure on taxes and loans. So taxes and loan. So taxes and loan, taxes I think 10, loan is a 17 percentage. So 10 plus 17 percentage of X. So 10, 17.27.5 percentage of X. So total we can write 27.500 into X. So they are asking what is the record ratio. So record ratio is 32.5 divided by 100. X is equal to 27.5 X 100 divided by 100 into X. So the percent ratio we can write by divide 1. So 32.5 X divided by 100 divided by 27.5 X divided by 100. Okay, we cancel X cancel, 100 hundreds cancel, so remaining is 32.5 and 27.5 is there. So commonly 32.5 and 17. So 27.5. 27.5. So we can divide, cancel by 2.5, right? 2.5 commonly. So answer is 1311. So where is the answer is 1311. So clear? So 100 cancel, x cancel, remaining is 32.5 and 27.5. So commonly we can divide by 2.5, some 2.5. So 2.5 we can divide 13, 2.5, 32.5, 5 and 2, 27.5 is the 11, 22.5 is the 27.5. Clear? Move on fourth sum. Okay. So next is the fourth sum. So what is the, if the interest of the loan amounted Rs 2.5 crores, then the total amount of expenditure on advertisement, taxes on research and development is what is the expenditure on the development, sorry, expenditure, advertisement, taxes and researches. So interest loan, like we know, let us consider X total expenditure is X. So from this loan, interest and loan 17 percentage X is equal to how much amount they giving? 2.45 crores as like second sum. So we can write like first we find the X value, then we find the expenditure on the advertisement and taxes, I think. So 17.5 X. So X is equal to So x into 17.5 into 100. So x is equal to 2.45 into 100 divided by 17.5. So totally we cancel around x is equal to, again it's a 14 crore. So total expenditure is 14 crore. So from the total expenditure, there is expenditure on advertisement, taxes and research. So advertisement 15, taxes 10, 25, and what are the other things? Development are 5. So 10, 15, totally 30. So 30 out of 30% out of 14 crore. So 30 divided by 100 into 14. So 0, 0. We cancel 5s are 10, 7s are 21, 3 into 7, 21.5, 5 4s are 2. So answer is 4.2 crores. So clear this sum, how to find this? For in the problem they didn't give what is the total expenditure. So then we consider let a total expenditure yes. So based on the total expenditure, they distribution the independent department, so infrastructure and transport and this. So from this total expenditure we find the every percentage every percentage expense of every department. So from that we find that answer. So clear this kind of sums. See, fifth sum, the expenditure is on interest loan. What is a more than the percentage or more than percentage more than the expenditure on the transport? As usual, total expenditure x. Okay, so the expenditure on loan 15%, then 15% of x. 15 divided by 100 into x, 15x divided by 100. This is the interest on the loan. So expenditure on the transport. So transport is the 12.5%. 12.5%. So then 12.5% of x. So 12.5 divided by 100 of x. Okay, so difference between the expenditure. So difference means we need to minus this. So 15x divided by 100 minus 12 point, sorry, interest on loan is 17 point something. So 17 points x minus 100 and 12.5 divided by 100. So divided same number, so we can write the single 100. So 17 point directly we minus value. So 17.5 minus 12.5 is a 5x. Okay, so answer is 5x. So 5x. So required percentage, we need to, what is the required percent from the loan interest, we need to required percent. So 5x by 100 and required percentage transport. They are asking more than expenditures in transport. So transport is a 12.5 x divided by 100. So we cancel and remaining is xx. So 5 divided by 125 ones are 40 something. So answer is a 40%. Clear this kind of sums? So bar chart related sums. Yes, sir. No, ma'am. His answer is 50%. So other people clear this kind of sums. So mostly the sums are coming modes are coming like what we discuss or what we work out here only. So mostly same kind of question they ask me in the question paper, like percentage. Just you practice more sums on percentages, percentage, fractions, ratio related sums, and profit and loss, and average. So these 5 chapters are very important to for working here, data interpretation. Other than that, you first clear on what some, so what kind of data they given. Is this a missing data or bar chart or a tabular column? So 1 or 2 times you just read the tabular column, what are the data they given. Other than tabular, they given some like expenditure. See, expenditure in 48, in first sum they given 48,000, 62,000, they given like this kind of data. They given some of the sum, they given data in a question, and also tabular column. So we use the both data for the solution. So I only one time I need to work on that. So this is a what bar chart related sum. So see, pie chart related sum. So pie chart, they give like this. Tabular also, or pie chart top, pie chart type 1. So both this data can be a table or pie chart. So the same data, say this is also same, this question also same. So I just work out on this. So SC 50%, sale 12%, MCM is 9%, PR 18%, and management is 21%, PT is 19%, and others 6%. So this data can be a pie chart. So based on this data, they asking some questions. So what are the male force? Sorry, what are the male force? What are the male workforce SA and MA sector put together is approximately what percentage of total number of workforce in the PT sector? So in SA means sales male workers. See, in the sum they given total, the total workforce. So total workforce is 80 lakh. Okay, and second condition is the number of female male workforce. See, number of male workforce SA and MA means SA is the 12%, MA is a management. That one is a 21%. So 12. See, SA 12% plus MA 21%. 21%. So first we need to their ratio, male and female ratio, SA 5:3 and MA 3:4. Okay, so first we need to what is the total percentage of SA? So 12% from the 12%, 80 lakh people. 12% into 80 lakh. Okay, so 12 divided by 100 into 80 lakh. Say 80 lakh. 80 lakh. So cancel. So 12 8's 80,000. 12 into, so total 90 lakh, 96 lakh. So in management they using total 9.6 lakh. So from 9.6 lakh, how many male and female ratio? 5:3. Okay, then 9.6 into 5 and 9.6 into 3. So total around male around something 450. So 450 lakhs and 276 lakh in female. Clear? How many people are there? 9 people are there. I just checked. Interest loan on transport is 5%. Sorry, I will just check. Okay. So what is the answer for first sum? Say number of workforce in SA. So total, sorry. So total male is 450 for sales, and management total male is around. First before this calculation, we need to find the what is the total value of total value of workforce in female and female and male and female. So we know that total workforce. So total percentage from first we need to in every sector how many total workforce. From the total workforce they have given the ratio. So we need to find the total male and female workers. So from that only we can work out this sum. So already it's time 8 o'clock. So I give it this some homework. So easy. Basically, if you find the workforce of male female, you can easily answer all the questions. So I suggest some website for especially for data interpretation sums. So it will useful for you. Otherwise, I think I'm not clearly explain this kind of question because I'm making very faulty things here. Sorry for that. Otherwise, I will stop it here. You can have any doubt, please ask. I will share that. I will share the extra previous year question paper related data interpretation. You guys working on that. I will share also website for that data interpretation. That also very helpful for you. Other than that, do you have any questions? So today is our last sessions. I hope I give some sense of all the chapters. If I did not given, I will improve myself. So if you have any queries or comment on that, please tell. Otherwise, we will conclude our 10 days program on UGC. Please mute yourself and thank you, Bindia, ma'am. Thank you, Berlin, ma'am, and others. Thank you, Kavidaka, for motivate. So thank you. So you have any other than that? What are the what you expected from us after these classes? If you share, I will work on that. I will give something. Thank you. For economic paper, yes, ma'am, we will find 1 or 2 days. So we are working on that other paper also. Thank you, Snega. So I will share the almost I shared all the units PPT and PDF for materials. So I will share on the previous week question paper or two session like 71 set question paper. You just work on go through the question paper. You can find yourself how much I teach and how much you learn from that. You can easily evaluate yourself from that question papers. I will share from mail or group. You people are download it and working. If you have any doubt, please mail to us or mail to my personal number. It will always in the group in WhatsApp group. So thank you everyone. In first day, mostly around 100 people joining, and it will go to 80. And 2 days it's around 60, 65, and seventh and sixth day it's around 35 to 40, and last 2 days is around 20 people. So I hope you people are find out from YouTube of our videos, and it will helpful for you. I believe that. And thank you, every participant to attend the session every day. So I conclude today's session, and I wish you all the best for everybody got JRF and NETs. So thank you. Bye bye.